Hello and welcome to this 5 things video with myself, David Evans, Global IoT Solution Architect at Robustel. Today we're going to tell you 5 things about Robustel's EV8100 battery backup feature. In particular, the fact that you can put 2 18650 batteries inside the EV8100 and provide up to around 8 hours of backup for your critical systems so they can keep communicating in the field even when the power has failed. So, point number 1, this device was originally used for elevator systems, entirely designed around that concept, hence the form factor, which may not always be perfect for other environments. But today what we're going to talk about is the really elegantly implemented battery backup. You could almost call it a UPS function. So that is point number 1. Point number 2, as we said, inside here, there is space for 2 18650 batteries, and they will, depending on the load on the system, they will have a reasonable hold-up time. Now, the goal here is not, it's really important to emphasize, the goal here is not to hold it up for days or weeks and act as a logger that runs forever. It's to hold it up for long enough for the system to be able to get a warning away to you that external power has failed. And the reason why this is so commercially important is that if it's a power failure, very often our integrator customers are not responsible for local power. They are responsible for comms and every other part of the system, but not local power. So that's really important. So point number 3 is that the integration of this system with Robustel's cloud platform is really powerful and really tight. And on the screen, you should be able to see the messaging that you'll get within about 10 seconds of a power loss event. So it's really quite impressive. Point 4, there's lots of other I/O on this unit. So there's CAN, Modbus RTU, RS232, and multiple digital in, digital out. You could also consider the Bluetooth Low Energy interface here for other sensors. So lots of I/O on the device itself. And point number 5, the final thing we're going to mention in this quick video, is that the operating system that this is based on, Robustel's new RobustOS Pro environment, is all Debian based. So you can take an application from a Raspberry Pi or a similar ARM embedded computer, drop it in here and give it a try straight away. So the adaptability is extreme. So that's all for today. That was 5 things on Robustel's EV8100 battery backup capability. Thanks very much. Bye for now.